What's going on, my YouTube family? It's your boy Horus and I'm back. And today I'm here to talk about a token that's already out at the moment, that it's got a lot of hype around it. And this token is called Aptos. And I wanted to just talk about the white paper with you guys and also talk about the possibilities of this token and why there is so much hype around this particular coin. But before we get into this, guys, make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe. And let's get into this video. As we can see, the market isn't doing too good, but as I always like to say, guys, this is the time to buy these tokens. Like, the streets are so bloody, I would like it to get a bit more bloody, but hey, that's just me. I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your due diligence before you start investing in any token that I talk about on ISN network. But it's really bloody in these streets. And at the moment, there's a very special token that I wanted to talk to you about. It's called Aptos. This token here is a layer 1 blockchain, but it's got a lot of hype around it due to the fact that it's got a lot of venture capitalists that are around it, such as Coinbase venture capitalists, Binance venture capitalists, and a few other venture capitalist companies have all decided to invest in this particular token. And as you can see, out of nowhere, guys, it's listed on Binance straight away. And again, that is a good thing, but at the same time, you have to be careful about these projects because you're not really going to benefit from it if you just jumped in now, as opposed to those that jumped in before they went live. But I still think it's a good token, and I just wanted to go through the white paper with you guys to give you a clearer understanding into why I'm excited about this token, what it can bring. I mean, they're saying that they can do at least 160,000 transactions per second, which is, you know, phenomenal, just to like blow my mind. And for those people that think, well, Horus, what does that mean to me? It just means, guys, that there's going to be another way of how you're able to transact on a blockchain and pay less transactional fees, which is really helpful when you compare it to the Ethereum blockchain, where once so many people are on the blockchain transacting, it becomes expensive to be on that, to be able to transact on Ethereum. So without further ado, this picture is very important, guys, because for those that don't know, these two guys here, Mo Sheikh and Avery Ching, have a very, very unique story. They were currently working at Meta, which used to be called Facebook, and they were helping build this software that's called the Move language, which is supposed to be an easier, safer language for smart contracts. Again, do your research on this, guys. But these two guys developed that, and now here they are with Aptos. So let's just get a brief description of who these people are. So Mo Sheikh and Avery Ching created Aptos to fulfill the vision of bringing fair access to decentralization to all through a safe, upgradable and scalable blockchain network. The Aptos team is made up of a highly accomplished team of engineers, researchers, strategists, designers and builders committed to delivering universal and equitable access to decentralization that is capable of scaling for billions of people. Much of Aptos' team is credited with developing with the technical innovations that powered Aptos blockchain, including the original creators of the Move language, which I was talking about before, Move Prover, the Block STM parallel execution engine, and the Narwhal and Bullshark consensus mechanism. So in terms of this Mover language, guys, it's just a much more safer and easier way to be able to build on their actual blockchain, and hence why a lot of venture capitalists have actually gone and backed this token, such as the big players like we have Coinbase and Binance. This is the tokenomics, guys. So I just wanted to briefly talk to you about this tokenomics. So mainnet, so it says initial supply. Mainnet was launched on October the 12th, 2002. The initial total supply of Aptos at mainnet was 1 billion tokens. APT will have 8 digits of precision as part of their fraction, where their minimal unit is called octa. Right. Now, for me, this is where it gets a bit tricky here, guys. And this is something that you need to pay attention to when investing in Aptos. It says that their community tokens is 51%. Their core contributions are 19%. The foundation is 16.5 and investors 13.48. This pool of tokens is designed for ecosystem related items such as grants, incentives, and other community growth initiatives. Some of these tokens have already been allocated to projects building on the Aptos protocol and will be granted upon the completion of certain milestones. A majority of these tokens are held by the Aptos Foundation and a smaller portion are held by Aptos Labs. So you've got 100 million held by Aptos Labs and you've got 410 held by the Aptos Foundation. You got 125 million APT available initially to support the ecosystem, projects, grants, and communities and growth initiatives now and in the future for the community category. You got 5 million available initially to support the Aptos Foundation initiatives. So this is their anticipated token supply changes. Token holders who stake their tokens to a validator operator for purposes of securing the network and achieving consensus may receive staking rewards. Staking rewards are split between validator operators and stakers and are not subject to restrictions on distribution. Currently, the maximum reward rate starts at 7% annually and is evaluated at every epoch. The maximum reward rate declines by 1.5% annually into a lower bound of 3.25 annually, expected to take place over the next 50 years. Now, this is something, guys, that I'm actually happy about, although some people may look at me and think, well, I'm a bit crazy. For once, a project that has got a project that does have its tokenomics together and its plan and structure is also actually letting us know that these projections are not absolutely accurate. This disclaimer for me gives me satisfaction that yes, some of these projections are what they're expecting and what they would like, but at the same time, market conditions and bear markets have a factor in these things. And this for me gave me the extra confidence that I felt that I needed when I saw this. This is not an offering or the solicitation of an offer to purchase tokens. The document contains hypothetical, forward-looking and or projected figures which are not guaranteed. Actual numbers may vary. That is excellent. For once, we've got a project here that's forward-thinking, that isn't promising everybody the world, that isn't saying, right guys, we're going to go to the moon, we're going to get this done. What they're saying is these are what our tokens are, this is what our projections are, but at the same time, don't hold us to it as we continue to build this ecosystem. One of the tokens that I'm definitely comfortable in, just because, for example here, Crypto.com, one of the largest exchanges out there in the market, in my opinion, have listed this token. Binance has listed this token. So make no shadow of a doubt that this token is definitely here to stay. Also, PancakeSwap wants to deploy mainnet on Aptos. I'll just quickly give you guys just a quick one. Aptos is a next generation layer 1 with low transaction cost, high transaction throughput and fast transaction speeds, utilizing a novel and developer optimized approach to parallel execution. PancakeSwap has developed a strong relationship with the Aptos team, and a large number of its developer ecosystem are suitable for PancakeSwap partnerships and products. And again, as a decentralized exchange, this just gets to show how forward thinking already PancakeSwap are thinking with this layer 1 solution to improve transactional speeds across the crypto space. This is a very good project that has considerable amounts of scalability that, you know, I can't wait to enjoy, to be totally honest. This particular partnership just goes on to show even how forward PancakeSwap are moving. This will be the first decentralized exchange that has multi-chain migration proposals. So again, guys, this is wicked. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below for the white paper. But there's just a few things I just wanted to touch on with this white paper, what it actually does. So the Aptos blockchain natively integrates and internally uses the Move language for fast and secure transaction execution. The Move Prover, a formal verifier for smart contracts written in the Move language, provides additional safeguards for contract invariance and behavior. This focus on security allows developers to better protect their software from malicious entities. So again, one of their main things, guys, is safety and obviously Web 3.0 applications. And we have had quite a bit of malicious attacks throughout the crypto space. And this is one of their main objectives from the get-go, to ensure that when developers are building on these blockchains, they cannot be hacked. Now, you're asking yourself, well, Horus, what does that mean to me? Well, we've got other highly scalable blockchains like Solana, like ADA. But this particular one, guys, has come in and it's got the right hype around it. It's got the right funding behind it. And I just can't see how this particular token cannot grow 4x, 5x. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below, just not to bore you with all of the white paper. But again, just to reiterate what they're saying here, we present the Aptos blockchain designed with scalability, safety, reliability, upgradability as the key principles to address these challenges. The Aptos blockchain has been developed over the past 3 years by over 350 plus developers across the globe. It offers a novel innovations in consensus, smart contract design, system security, performance, decentralization. The combination of these technologies will provide fundamental building blocks to bring Web 3 to the masses. So again, Web 3 is definitely on everybody's agenda. It's on everybody's lips. And that's all I have for you today, guys. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, crypto to the world and back. Peace.